Yo, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is Kazi here from Clever Programmer. I just wanted to give you a little update on everything that's happening. I know that I haven't touched base with you guys on YouTube in actually quite a bit, but there are a lot of things going on and a lot of things happen. So in this video, I just want to get you all caught up and be on the same page. With that said, let's jump right into it. So a lot of things have been happening recently over the last few months. Clever Programmer has been growing. We're up to 15 plus people on the team now. And there's been a lot of focus on making sure that every student inside of our programs is really happy. Also, we launched a coding bootcamp called Full Stack Mastery. So that has been requiring a lot of work. And just recently, I had to go to Chicago because I found out my mom was having a heart surgery. So I flew out. My sister-in-law called me at 8 a.m. and she broke the news to me I was in California at that time. And I was just like so shocked that that happened. Then my brother called me a couple of hours later. And then he was like, hey, we got to fly out to Chicago, all of us brothers, and we got to go now. So both of my brothers essentially took a flight, went to Chicago immediately, same day, landed there like 9 or 10 p.m. And it was really cold. It was like negative 10 degrees. And basically found out that my mom had, the doctor said 5 arteries blocked, which means she had to go through a quintuple bypass, which is insane. And we were all there to support her. And because of COVID, now this video is going to get demonetized. That's fine. I can't call it that. I have to say pandemic. So now, because of the pandemic, we are not allowed to go into the hospitals. We're not actually allowed to be there with her. And so what we have to do is just kind of be there for a couple of days. And then we found out, 4 or 5 days passed. We were also scared, nervous, praying, asking, I was even posting in the PWJ community, which is Profit with JavaScript. And we're like, hey guys, just please have my mom in your prayers, wish her the best, make sure she comes out okay. And we're crossing our fingers, scared to death, sitting there every single day, seeing, what's going to happen next. And basically, mom goes into the OR, comes out the next day, and we find out that her surgery went through successfully. So we were so happy. We were so excited. All my brothers, my dad. It was such a big moment of relief. And then we were so happy that she's going to come in, and essentially now it's like, a car getting a brand new engine. And so, oh, that's funny. Jack is here. That's our bunny. So it's like she just got a whole new engine, and now she has, essentially a whole new heart. And it's a bypass surgery. So basically they take arteries from other parts of your body and reroute it around your heart. So when that happened, I was so pumped that it went through successfully. Finally, mom came home, and the first few days were the most difficult for her. But after that, she came out like a champ. Right now, she's in her 30th day of recovery or more. So super happy about that. A couple of days ago was her birthday, February 28th. And she sent me her photo with sitting with my brother, and we were so happy. I was there for 10, 20 days. Now I came back. My brothers are still there with her, I believe. And she's just so supportive. We all love her so much. But the thing is that she is one of the strongest people I've ever come across on the planet. Personally, if I was going through it, I honestly don't know if I would survive, first of all. Second of all, I just don't think I would have it in me to be as strong as her, because I just hear so many scary horror stories. Every place when I went to, like when I was scared and I was nervous, I was going and reading on Reddit what people's experiences were. And they just said it's like the worst thing. A lot of people were like, I wanted my life to end. Her, like, yeah, she was in pain, but she came out of it like that. And every day was tough, but we just had to make sure like she's walking, she's like comfortable, she's able to do everything that you can do. So she's just fully recovering. And that's one important thing. You have to make sure that you're walking a lot, which is weird because you would be like, hey, this person just got their heart fixed. Why would you have them just rest forever? It's like, no, they actually have to walk around a lot. They should actually go up the stairs, down the stairs. and they need to keep their blood flow up, walking and exercise is actually more important than even resting. So she had really good rest, really good walking. And yeah, so she's recovered. I'm back. So that's good. Now we're finally getting back into the flow of starting to put out content on YouTube, getting back on YouTube and starting to do things. I'm excited. I'm happy to be here. Thank you guys for being there every step of the way. Thank you guys for always supporting me, supporting our team and what we're doing. Like Daniel has been getting on the channel. Naz has been getting on the channel. We love your guys' support. We just broke 900,000 subscribers, so I'm so excited about that. And something really cool, my middle brother, Wakas, he also has a YouTube channel. It's at the Cosman, Wakas Kazi. And he just hit, I think he's about to hit 200,000 subscribers, right? He broke over 150,000 subscribers. And then my oldest brother, Naj Kazi, is his YouTube channel, and he talks about IT. He just broke 10,000 subscribers today. So guys, if you could just take a moment and first of all, just pray for my mom that she recovers fast. Second of all, just drop some love for my brother Wakas in the comments below because he's crushing it. Drop some love for my brother Naj Kazi because he just hit 10,000 subscribers. My girlfriend Amberly is going through a live challenge. She's on day 6 of the challenge. She normally never has done. She's done very few lives in her life, and now she's on her 6th live in a row, and it's a 30-day live challenge. She's crushing it. People love the challenge that are showing up, and so also drop some love for that. Other than that, I love you guys so much. Let me know what type of content you guys want to see more because we want to start getting back to making content, and we're going to be building some really incredible projects for you in the upcoming weeks. Okay, they're going to be really, really good. So watch out for those. Other than that, this is your boy, Kazi. I love your beautiful face. Smash that like button. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And with that said, I love your beautiful face. And I'll see you in the next video.